Tired of typing every single word on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me show you how to make typing easier by enabling predictive text on the Samsung keyboard. Here's how to set it up. First, open any app where you can use the keyboard, for example, while writing a note in Samsung Note. Now, tap the settings icon right above the keyboard. Find predictive text and then make sure it's turned on. To see how it works, go back to your note. Write something. As you type, word suggestion appear right above the keyboard. You can tap a suggestion to insert it. This feature helps you type faster with fewer mistakes, perfect for note, chatting, or emails. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.